Hello all, our today's task is of matrix addition. We have to write a program to add two matrices. The first line of input contains the integer m. The second line of input contains the integer n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns in the matrix. Then the two matrices of the specified rows and columns. In the output, we have to print the matrix, which is the resultant of the addition of the two matrices. So here, first remember how we add two matrices in maths. If you don't remember, let me remind you. A matrix can only be added to another matrix or subtracted from another matrix if the two matrices have the same dimensions. To add two matrices, just add the corresponding entries and place this sum in the corresponding position in the resultant matrix. For example, if we have this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2, 1, 3, 1, 7, 8, then we will add corresponding elements, that is, we will do 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 7 and 6 plus 8. So the resultant matrix will be 3, 3, 6, 5, 12 and 14. Similarly, we will do matrix addition in our program. We will make an empty 2D array of the size same as the given matrix. Then we will add each element and store them in the new matrix. So now let's see this in code. We have to create a method addMatrix, which takes matrix 1, matrix 2 and rows and columns as the arguments. So in this method, firstly we will initialize a new array and then using for loop we will add each corresponding element. So for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Answer of ij is equal to matrix 1 ij plus matrix 2 ij. And then we will return the answer matrix. Okay. Now the driver code. The first line consists of number of rows, then number of columns. Now we will first initialize a 2D array for matrix. This is our matrix 1. Then using for loop int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. This is for rows, and a nested loop for columns. Int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Matrix 1 ij equal to sc dot next int. And similarly we will create the second matrix, initialize the 2D array, and then using for loops we will take the input. Now we will declare a 2D array for the resultant matrix. Let's name this answer, and we will assign the method addMatrix to the answer variable, and we will pass matrix 1, matrix 2, m and n. And then we will iterate over the answer variable for printing the result. So here also we have to use nested for loops. So system out print answer of ij, and this is separated by space, and then system out println for a new line. Okay. And we have to import the scanner class. Now we are ready to compile the code. So javac addmatrix.java, and now let's run this file, java addmatrix. So let the row be 2 and the column be 3. The first matrix is, let's say, 1, 2, 3. This is our first row. And the second row 4, 5, 6. And now the second matrix 2, 1, 3 and 1, 7, 8. Our output should be 3, 3, 6 and 5, 12, 14. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we are getting the correct output. So here our time complexity is O of n square because we are using two nested for loops for iterating over the matrix, and the space complexity is O of n square because we need an extra space for holding a 2D array. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see more problems in the further lectures.